So this is the deck system that I ordered for my Chevy Colorado ZR2, and there's a couple reasons why I ordered this. The first reason is I want to basically have the storage available for me to put in a bunch of my camping gear and emergency preparedness gear. So it's really efficient. If we want to get out of here, we can get out of here real quickly. And also when we come back, we don't have to unload stuff. So it saves us a bunch of time. With the GoFastCamper, it's a little difficult for my wife to access the actual sleeping platform via the truck bed. So this is gonna raise up the height of the floor of the truck bed by 12 inches. So it should be a little bit easier for somebody to get in and out of the GoFastCamper sleeper platform. Also, it's gonna make one smooth, flat, level surface, kind of increasing my load space, if you will, my surface area, and also it'll make it much more comfortable getting in and out of the camper with a flat surface as opposed to the ridged bed, and that's kind of rough on the bare feet, especially with the bed liners. I'm gonna get this thing in. So if you have the Colorado and you want to see what it looks like, or you have the GoFastCamper and you want to see what it looks like, stick around and watch. And then so this deck system's made in the United States. It's from a company in Idaho. It has a 3-year warranty. They offer free shipping. I ordered directly from DECKED, and they do offer a GovX discount. So is with this deck system, with all the gear in the truck, and I think the deck system weighs about 200 pounds, I'm having trouble fitting the GoFastCamper with the roof racks, specifically the rear roof rack, into the garage. So I'm hoping this will kind of weigh down the suspension maybe a ½ inch or so, and I can easily pull the truck in and out. I did a video about trying to fit the camper in the garage, so yeah, it was quite a challenge. I have a little wonky way of fitting the truck in the garage. I got to use a bunch of my training sandbags and buckets of rocks and all this stuff to weight it down, which is a great workout, but I'd rather just be able to have this work for me. So we'll see at the end. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Hopefully it will. If not, maybe I just leave a sandbag in the back of the truck all the time, which is kind of a good thing to have anyways for training. Got hung up on the installation of the little tie-down brackets. It said something about an embossed bulkhead. You have to reverse them, and I didn't quite know what they're talking about. But for the ZR2, that's not applicable. I figured it out. So if you ended up doing this, just ignore that and just follow the instructions that come in this awesome instruction packet. So as I was going to put in this second deck top right here, my battery died, and of course I ran into the first real problem. So I was having a hard time getting that to fit in there, especially coming in with these GoFast brackets here. So I ended up having to get a rubber mallet and just kind of had to tap it in, got it in, not a problem. So if you're doing this yourself and it's not fitting right away, don't panic. Get out a rubber mallet and start banging on it. So that little J hook that goes into the tie down point and then comes out through the top of this box, and you attach this little thing on there. So that that part right there gave me some serious trouble. So you kind of gotta feed it through there, and you need to push it back up here, and then you have to lift the box up with one hand and then thread the needle with the other. So if you're doing this on the Colorado, that's a little difficult point. One thing I've noticed with the GoFastCamper, it's sweet, is they call this cabana mode, and it's great to keep yourself out of the rain. So yeah, these are pretty slick. If you open all three of them up, you kind of get a little bit of rain protection. So this is what it's looking like. Right now, I've only basically organized it for my recovery gear. So behind here, I have my safe jack, some knee pads, and behind that is a recovery rope, shackles, all that kind of stuff. Stuff I figure hopefully I won't have to use very often, but very essential to getting myself out of trouble if I get into trouble. So this is going to be it for the decked video. I just wanted to show you what it kind of looks like putting this thing in if you got the Colorado and if you got a GoFastCamper. So I'll be doing updates on this. I'm really excited to see how it is to ingress and egress through the tent with this platform. And then I'll be going through these drawers when I have more time to really think this through and get organized, and I'll do a future video on that. But right now I can tell I want to put stuff towards the back of the drawers, things that I know I won't be using. Over on this side, I already have all my recovery gear in case I get stuck or in case I need to help somebody else get unstuck. And then over on this side of the drawer, it's going to be some of my bug out / survival gear stuff that I want with me all the time in the event of emergency. Things such as like water purifier, probably some MRE or freeze-dried meals, and fire starter, that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something here. I learned that these decked systems aren't that bad to install, and the installation directions are quite hilarious and pretty detailed. I only had a couple little glitches that I had to figure out, and it's because I'm not a very good reader and I didn't pay attention to the stuff in red. So hey, thanks for watching, and look for more videos if you like this kind of stuff. All right, take care. Thank you.